Now, if you're so fortunate to show up at this dump, you're going to have to turn on the compressor. And you're like, how do I do that? Well, first you're going to come over and you're going to hit this green button. Let's see if we can get the screen here. Oh, we're at 100 psi. It's had a normal stop. We're going to hit the green button. Oh wait, look at this. I just turned it off. These things are on loading and there's timers, and see that? Normal stop. I have to wait this many seconds before I can start it again. Look at that voltage. Okay, so now I can start it. There you go. Starting. Sorry, and it's running. Auto load. Okay. So I just turned on the compressor. Now, I'm going to go back here to the tank. Now, down here, I'm going to turn on the dryer. You know it's on because of the green light. And then what we want to do is we want to open this valve. And we want to open this valve. And this is the tank. Here. There's the dryer. Things are functioning nominally when the green light's on. There you go. And once you have the compressor on, you can go ahead and power up the rest of the machines. There you go.